Panagdait Festival, yearly celebration. Panagdait Festival every August in Pagadian City. Good luck.
to everyone, this is from the batch 1999 and batch 1974. This is an attendance raffle draw. Kung matawag ang inyong number, wala mo di ani, automatic, we will draw again another winner. Our grand prize later is 50,000 pesos. Okay. At the back of your wristband is actually the number. Palihog o bali sa inyong wristband, tanawa ang inyong number. May I request, Batch President of 1999 at the cars, please pick out 10 lucky winners. First set, Batch President of 1999. Or Batch President of 1974. 10 winners. Kanang naasa atubangan. First winner. Dali, kamo daw naman sir. 5-5 mo. Once again, you look at the number at the back. First winner. As soon as your number will be called, 5 seconds. If you can claim it, we will draw again another winner. First winner. Congratulations to receive items in there. 202-40882. 202-40882. One assistant here, please. Second winner. Second winner. Congratulations to 202-40537. 202-40537. Palihog ay kulani, dinani, to claim out. Next winner, naa sa likod sa wristband. Next winner, 202-40749. 202-40749. Naalikod sa tuwang wristband. Kapilan niya siya. Fourth winner. Ibali ang wristband na diana ang number ninyo. Palihog ko claim dayon diretso diani. Kaya wala, i-draw na to balik later. Next winner, 202-40327. Once again, 202-40327. Next winner, fifth winner. Congratulations, 202-40024. Og lantaw sa inyong wristband. 202-40024. Ikaunom. Sa 5. O dito ma, please claim your prize out there. O mauna, 40024. Next, ikaunom na winner, 202-40103. 202-40103. Okay, ito wala. Next winner, ikapila ni 8. Seventh winner, 202-40807. 202-40807. Palihog og lantaw yun kay ang 50,000 naa sa inyong kamot. Next winner. Og dili ma-claim, bunot na putang utro. Next winner, 202-40592. 202-40592. Next winner. Pila ka na naka-claim? Pila ka na naka-claim? Isa pa naka-claim? Palihog og lantaw sa wristband Likod ana na ang number. Next winner, 202-40526. 202-40526. Last winner. Onana from batch. Sino nga batch? 81. Sige ito, please claim your prize out there. Next winner. 202-40169. 202-40169. 202-40169. Congratulations to all the winners. Atong pakpakan na itong mga kaugalingon. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. That was just the first set of our raffle draw and prizes for tonight. Once again, Kiling Tamanguli, Unya, cash prizes from our very hard-working governor. Unya, 50,000 pesos, only one winner. This time, ladies and gentlemen, let us hear a very inspiring alumni homecoming message coming from the St. Columban College School President. Let's give a warm applause to Reverend Father Nestor Rimaso.
Panagdait sa Diyos sa tanan ug sa tanang kabuhatan. Akong pagyukdo sa ato migong tong MC nga very hardworking. Para sa ako dili man hardworking ang
Thank you for watching. See you next time, guys. Bye.